Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Hi my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to make Jamaican pumpkin rice, and this is a very simple video, so please stay tuned and watch until the end. I'm going to make Jamaican pumpkin rice as I said before, and these are some of the ingredients. I have 2 cups of rice, I have a piece of pumpkin, I have scotch bonnet, I have spring onion, and I got some thyme. And the only thing missing is salt. I probably use half a teaspoon. To get it started, I'm going to dice the pumpkin. I'm going to remove the skin. I'll have a few big chunks that I will crush these ones because I want it to be the pumpkin to be all over the rice. So here is the diced pumpkin, and I chopped the onions. So the next step is to put some water in my pot and get the ball rolling. I added 4 cups of water to the pot. I'm not going to wait until it's boiled to add the pumpkin and the rest of ingredients. So I'll just add these now and let them cook until they're tender. If the water is too much, then I'll take some out. At that point, I will know. So I'm adding the scallion, the scotch bonnet. The scotch bonnet is just for flavor. So if you want a hot rice, you can cut the pepper in half if you want that. I'm going to add some salt. I'm not a big fan of salt, so this is probably called a teaspoon. If it needs more, then I'll add it, but I'm not a fan of salt. Also, for this recipe, you can add whatever. You could add coconut milk. I'll probably do another video where I use coconut milk and I'll add the vegetables and other ingredients. But this is just a simple Jamaican pumpkin rice. Not much ingredients today. So now I'll just put the lid on, let the pumpkin cook for probably 10 minutes. 5 minutes in, I'm checking on the pumpkin and they're cooking nicely, and guys, the aroma, it smells so lovely. The thyme and the scallion, oh my god, and even the pepper, I can smell it. It's very flavorful already. Checking in back on my pumpkin to see how it's going. Big chunks, I'll just crush these. And I will now wash my rice and add it to the pot. So I now add the rice to the pot that I washed. And I use 2 cups of rice, and this is the basmati rice. This is the Royal brand. So I'll just combine everything now. I think there's too much water. I prefer to have to add water more than to have a soggy rice. And I'll just take out the stem of the thyme because all of it boiled off. So I will just take out some of the water. You want the water to be like an inch above the rice. So let me stir again. Yes, this looks like it. You're supposed to be able to see the rice when you stir. And this looks like enough water, so I'll cook this on low to medium heat because we want it to cook properly. And yes, so I'll just cook this until all the water evaporates, and we'll have our pumpkin rice. We'll be ready by then. Hey guys, gonna check in on my pumpkin rice. Smells so good. I'm going to take the pepper out. As I mentioned before, it's just for flavor. There's a piece of thyme, I'll take that out, and I'll just combine everything so that the rice and the pumpkin come together as one. Good. So this is the final product of my Jamaican pumpkin rice. You can see a lot of pumpkin in there. Yeah, and it tastes lovely too. This is just a simple recipe. Tune to my channel for more and more plant-based recipes. Do have a safe and a blessed. Always remember, your health is your wealth.